Hi, hello all. Welcome to DataSurface, where we will explore the fascinating world of data engineering. In today's video, we are diving into the question, what does a data engineer do? We are going to understand what is the data engineering role by taking a real world example of retail store marketing operations. Right? So imagine you are running a retail store, and what would be your primary goals? Like to need to attract more customers, increase sales, and increase the revenue, and then manage your operations efficiently, right? So in order to achieve these goals, first of all you should get some insights about your business, right? So what is the customer insights and behavior? So what it means, like, what is the customer purchasing patterns, what is the customer sentiments, so what are the products are showing more interest by certain set of customers, and during which season more customers are visiting the stores. All these things you should know. And sales and revenue trends, so what is the investment you are putting and what is the revenue you generating with respect to the existing state of your business. And inventory and supply chain optimization, so what it means, like, what is the current stock, and is there is any additional stock are required, what is going on first of all. So all the inventory and supply chain is in sync or not, is there is any overstock is there, or is kind of a understock is there, you should know about all this. And marketing effectiveness, so how marketing is going on with respect to our business, right? Like the campaigns and all is going on good or not, the marketing broadcast advertisements are going on good or not, so what are the flaws are there, you should understand all these things, right? Customer experience enhancements, so based on the customer feedback, what are the improvements you need to take care, all these things you should know, right? So once you know all these insights, then it will be easy to achieve your goal in your retail marketing business, right? Where do you begin, how you are going to get all these insights, that is the question, right? So once you know all these insights, then it will be easy for you to increase your sales and generate the more revenues in your business, right? So like, in order to achieve these goals, to get these insights, first of all you need to collect all the data like sales figures, customer preferences, inventory levels, and all the stores data across globe, right? Once you collect this data, from this data you are going to get these insights, right? So that's where the data engineer coming to the picture. So the data engineer's primary role is to design, build, and maintain systems that collect, store, and process this data. They ensure that the data is organized and ready for analysis, data scientists, and business decision makers. Right? So that's where the data engineer is coming to the chair, and data engineer is going to make it ready the raw data whatever you are collecting from all these stores. Right? So let's break it down step by step, right? So now, as a business owner, you want to get some insights, and from where these insights you can get it based on your data only, right? So that's where this data engineers coming to the picture. And typically the data engineers can take care all the roles and responsibilities in whatever the highlighted in the current screen, right? So the data engineer is going to build data pipelines to collect this data from across all the stores. Then he's going to model the data which can be more readable format. Then data integration. So you are collecting across all the stores, all the data, customers feedback, sales, all the data, and then you are going to integrate the data, and then you are going to store the data in the cloud space, right? Then you are optimizing these pipelines for better performance, like with a minimal time effort, with a minimal investment. You should process this entire raw data, and you can make it available for decision making from the business standpoint, right? So the data engineer is typically going to take care all these aspects. So he's going to collect the data by building the pipelines, and he's going to integrate the data, and he can organize the data inside the data warehouse or data lake by using a cloud space. Then he will optimize these pipelines for better response. Then He'll safeguard the data by applying data governance principles and all. Then he is basically going to automate all these pipelines. So these are the typical roles and responsibilities will be taken care by the data engineer. So once the data is ready for consumption, as a business owner is going to consume the data and he will get whatever the insights is needed, and he can take the improvements with respect to his business. Then ultimately he can reach his goals, right? So I hope now you got a brief idea about the data engineering role. In typically nutshell, I would say the data engineers are the architects of business data ecosystem. So they are going to ensuring the raw data is transformed into the valuable insights, so that they can get all these insights and they can work helps driving the smarter marketing campaigns and optimize inventory, and ultimately they can boost sales and they can increase their revenues, right? I hope by the time you got a brief overview about the data engineering role. So what typically they'll do, roles and responsibilities, where the data engineer is coming to the picture, right? So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Data Surface. In upcoming videos we will dive deeper into the tools and technologies used by the data engineers, and in next video I'm going to provide a complete roadmap of data engineering 25. Please stay tuned. See you in next video.